1, 2, 3, 4. Over the mountains and the sea, your river runs with love for me, and I will open up my heart and let the healer set me free. I'm happy to be in the truth, and I will daily lift my hands, for I will always sing that when your love came down, I could sing of your love forever. I could sing of your love forever. Oh, I feel like dancing. Oh, it's foolishness, I know. Yeah. But when the world has seen the light, they will dance with joy like we're dancing now. What's up, guys? Welcome to this lesson. I am showing you how to play I Could Sing of Your Love Forever today by the band Guitarists, also played by Hillsong, and this is part of our Acoustic Guitar for Worship 101 course. If you would like to learn guitar from the zero to hero, then do this course. This is a great beginner course for you. It's absolutely free, and you can sign up with the link below and download the PDF. Okay, so let's get going with this course. This song uses the chord D. So it uses the D chord, just like so. Really easy chord. And then E minor. You can also do the ring finger there, but you can use this E minor. And then G. And then A. You can use A sus4 or A like that, but I like to play an A sus4 instead of the regular A. Over the mountains and the sea, your river runs with love for me, and I will open up my heart and let the healer set me free. Simple. Same for the chorus. I could sing of your love forever. 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 Bridge, E minor. Oh, I feel like D/F sharp. G. It's foolishness, I know. Again the same. But when the world has seen the light, they will dance with joy like we're dancing now. So there you have it. Simple song, easy to play. The strumming pattern for the song is just a simple down strum with the accents on 2 and 4, and you can add up strums as you wish, but it's just basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I could sing of your love forever. There we go. So I could sing of your love forever. You can try more advanced strumming patterns, but that's the basic one that you want to use at this level of playing, and you don't want to make it too complicated. Later we will revisit the song to make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, that's it. Have a nice day. Enjoy playing the song. Cheers.